to for your trading. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start a summary of this session right now. There are good opportunities here to be played. So stay still and manage risk. So let's start from, I start the summary here from the SP 500. SP 500 has actually pierced the sequence on the upside, and today has actually pierced the extension long here, so it's coming back into the 50%. If this 50% does not hold, this market has started a lateral move here, and those lateral move can basically resolve both direction. Euro dollar has failed the longs here, and it's trading potentially shorts at 144.69 with targets at 113.16 and 112.80. US dollar Japanese yen has traded the 50% level and it keeps moving lower. We have a clear level here that will confirm the move lower. That's the 108. 17. If that pierces, this market is going to continue lower. Of course, any any retest or opportunities after that break would be opportunities to get short to short this market. All right, so this might be interesting here. The US dollar Japanese yen as a continuation lower would actually mean that we can actually keep trading this market lower into the second target that I have identified here below, the 102.52. Euro Australian dollar has reached the 50% level, keeps pushing higher on top of 154.63. Euro Canadian dollar, similar situation, a little bit weaker than the Euro Australian dollar, with support below at 45.68. The US dollar Canadian dollar has reversed as well. We identified the anchor here after the fact, not before the fact, 130.20. Even if we identify this after the fact, it's still important to know where this is, because we want to be able to know where are the targets and price structure and what market can do. This market here has the potential to bounce from current levels here, and it could actually potentially even retest previous highs here, but we have been looking at some of the levels where this market could stop. If the market stops at some of these levels, then we want to get involved on the short side. If the market just continues lower, we will anyway get opportunities. I believe here this market is going to find some support and push higher. We then reviewed in the end the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. This market has traded an extension short here, traded once. This market could push higher and test the level twice, another time, and after that we could see actually a more convinced move lower. The strong move higher that we see on the daily will need some time to be worked out. Okay, so do not anticipate or expect this market to reverse right away. It's not going to happen. The Australian dollar, US dollar, on the other end, although very similar to the New Zealand dollar, US dollar has traded the long 73.36. This market is still being supported here, so there's no reason to believe that this market cannot indeed test 74.23. And with that said, I want to thank you for joining me today. Wednesday are always more difficult because the more I go through the week, the more tired I get as well. In fact, the reason for that is that I trade also the European Open 3 times a week, and at the moment I'm based in Toronto. It's easier when I'm in Europe. So that's very important because at between 2 and 3:30 there are a lot of opportunities on not only European plays, but also Pacific plays and other markets. So, all right. So I want to thank you for being here today, and I want to remind you the contact information here. If you wish to contact me, you can reach me at fipstalker@gmail.com. There's also a free newsletter. You can subscribe there and let me know what you think about it. Okay. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.